Imagine making money without lifting a finger. Thanks to AI automation, this dream is closer than you think. AI automation is revolutionizing the way entrepreneurs do business. From automating customer service to managing social media, AI takes care of the repetitive tasks. This means you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Imagine 24/7 customer support without hiring a single employee. Or having your social media posts scheduled and published while you're at the beach. AI tools like chatbots, social media managers, and data analytics can handle it all. And the best part? These tools are getting more affordable every day. So whether you're a startup or a seasoned entrepreneur, there's an AI solution out there for you. But remember, it's not about replacing humans, it's about boosting your efficiency. Embrace AI automation and watch your productivity soar. Start small, think big, and let AI be the powerhouse behind your success. So, ready to make money while you sleep? Jump into the world of AI automation and let's get rich together.